Welcome to 10 Facts for You. Today, we're looking at 10 things that are actually hotter than the surface of the sun. 1. The sun's surface is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, but lightning, it can reach 30,000 degrees Celsius. 2. The Large Hadron Collider creates collisions over 100,000 times hotter than the sun. 3. A nuclear explosion at its peak reaches around 100 million degrees CC. 4. Magnetars. Collapsed neutron stars can generate temperatures even higher. 5. The core of the sun is hotter than its surface, around 15 million degrees C. 6. Fusion experiments on Earth, like at ITER, aim to reach 150 million degrees CC, hotter than the sun's core. 7. Supernova explosions reach temperatures of billions of degrees in seconds. 8. The moment two neutron stars collide, the resulting fireball is hotter than any star. 9. In plasma physics, scientists have briefly hit temperatures of over 5 trillion degrees C. 10. The Big Bang itself started at over a non-illion degrees. That's a 1 followed by 30 zeros. Turns out the sun isn't the hottest thing out there. The universe is full of extremes, and we're just getting started. Subscribe for more calm, curious facts every day. Music fades out. Outro visual, subtle glowing stars plus 10 Facts for You logo.